Hi guys, Rob Leste from Leste Bathrooms. Thank you so much for taking the time to check out our channel where we're all about bathrooms. And in today's video, a very quick and easy one, I'm going to show you how to fit a top fixing toilet seat. Let's get into it. Okay, so before we get into the video, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. There's a little button down here. There's a button down here. Really helps me create content to help your job or project run smoothly, so consider that. So get asked a lot about fixing a top fixing toilet seat because there's no underneath access with a standard sort of closed couple toilet. People are a bit unsure how to do it, so very simple today with very minimal tools. Probably the most you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver. If you've got a little impact screwdriver, even better, and a pencil. Let's open the box and show you what's inside for this particular toilet seat. So we've got our box here, comes with the toilet. Let's open her up and we'll see that we'll have a little bit of packaging there. The seat comes out and then we have the fixing sellotape to here. So I'll open all that up now. So with this particular toilet, we have a couple of plastic nuts. They will go down into the toilet for the screw to anchor into and expand. That basically that bottom nut will expand and push into that screw there and push everything tight. So we've got those. We've got a couple of fixing plates that will go on top of the toilet, and these are our rubber washers that will go underneath when they sit onto the toilet. So we've got a couple of those. We've got a couple of screws that will screw down into the plastic nuts, and then we've got our two cover plates that will sit over and cover all of that. So this is our seat, and it will sit on there like that. This seat has a push button release. Sometimes they will have a push button, sometimes they will have a no button at all, where you just pull the toilet seat off, or something similar to this on the stalks. You can have a little button on there, but that's our seat. So first things first, we'll get our toilet seat onto the toilet and put a couple of pencil marks where our fixing plate will sit. Let's do that. So let's put our toilet seat nice and flush with the edges, and at the front just forward by about 5 mil, so you can just feel a little lip there. And then what we've got is our two holes here and here. We're just going to put a little pencil mark there, with a little cross, and a little pencil mark there with a little cross. And when we remove that, we can see that that will correspond with where we want our stalk for the toilet seat to sit on. So let's move the seat out of the way now. And we can build up our fixing plate. So we take our fixing plate and we take our rubber washer, and you can see there's a difference here. It's thinner here and thicker here, and it's got these little studs that stick up. These little studs that stick up will correspond with these holes. So we want the thinner section to the back here and the thicker section to the front, and that will sit on there like that. So that's ready. Get our other one, do the same thing. That's ready. And this is where we take our plastic nuts and push them firmly down into the toilet like that. And like that. So now we can sit these on top of these nuts, corresponding with our mark here and here. And then we can screw that up. We take our screws and screw that in. Only loosely for the moment, so we can still sort of move it around. And the same the other side. Just there and there. Just loosely for the moment. Then we get our seat off of that over, like so, and then just let that close on its own and see where we are. Okay, and that's not bad. You can adjust it by just easing it forward a little bit if you wanted to, or backwards, because we've only put those in loosely. So we'll open that back up now and remove that. And then we can tighten that down fully now and put the cover caps on. You can pinch that up a bit more with our impact driver. Do not over tighten it with the impact driver. I always then finish off with a Phillips screwdriver. As tight as you possibly can with your hand. Then put on your cover plates. And then put our lid back on. There we go. There we go, guys. Really simple and easy way to put on a top fixing toilet seat. I hope that's been useful for you today on your little project. Consider subscribing to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks very much. Take care. Bye.